Listen, the credit repair industry as you know it is dead, gone, and finished. You heard me right, I said it. The days of spending thousands of dollars trying to fix your credit using a credit repair company are over. And you're probably saying, but why? Because a brand new AI software just dropped that can delete anything from your credit reports. And I'm not talking about Credit Karma. I'm not talking about ChatGPT either. I'm talking about something so powerful, it's making credit repair companies shake in their boots. And today, I'm exposing it all. You have to understand that bad credit isn't an accident. It's not because you forgot a bill. It's because you're up against a machine called eOscar, an AI built by the credit bureaus to reject your disputes and keep your score low. And why? Because you're worth way more to them with bad credit. And today I'm exposing their game and showing you the only AI powerful enough to beat it. And listen, you have to understand, they're not making money from people with good credit like me. They're making billions of dollars from people with bad credit scores. Let's say that again for people in the back who didn't hear me. This is the truth. The credit bureaus don't make money selling credit scores. They make billions selling your data. When your score is low, they sell your info to subprime lenders, credit card companies, car loan sharks, payday lenders, all of them lining up to hit you with sky-high interest rates. That's called big data. And that's exactly why the system is designed to keep you stuck. eOscar scans your disputes, flags them as resolved, and spits you out. Fast, cold, and automated. And the longer you stay down, the richer they get. People really believe that there are human beings that are sitting around opening letters saying, oh, look at this dispute letter, this is pretty crazy. No, it's an entire automated AI system. And don't think the credit repair companies are your savior. Every single one of them uses outdated template software. They're not writing custom letters. They're not carefully analyzing your credit report. They're pushing the same cookie cutter disputes to thousands of people. And they don't tell you this because they know you have no clue. They want to keep you blind and keep you paying. And people are going to say, but just use ChatGPT. Forget it. It doesn't understand credit reports. It doesn't know Metro 2 compliance reporting. It doesn't know consumer law or factual disputing. It doesn't know how to attack the system. And those bootleg apps that only pull TransUnion and guess the rest, like straight scams. If you want to beat AI like eOscar, you need smarter, stronger AI on your side. And that's DisputeBeast, the first and only AI that fights back. It uses Metro 2 compliance, consumer law, and factual disputing, all three at once, or it chooses a specific tactic per your specific issue. It attacks not just Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, but all 9 secondary reporting agencies and the creditors and the debt collectors. Because there are 12 credit reporting agencies, not just the big 3. I'm talking about LexisNexis, LCI, Inovis, ARS, Credco, Clarity, DataX, Microbilt, and FactorTrust. I'm willing to bet money that you've never heard of any of these. And before you come into the comments and ask the question, well, shouldn't you freeze the secondary bureaus? No, you don't want to freeze them because they're still going to have a connection to your credit reports. You need to eradicate it everywhere. This is why you never hear anybody else talk about it, because they're all just regurgitating the same bad information that's outdated from the late 90s. If you don't attack it at all the secondary credit reporting agencies, this is why once it gets deleted, it pops back on your credit report, because amateurs don't do that. They're just sending out 3 basic template letters to the big 3, and that's it. And here's the even crazier part. DisputeBeast is the only software that gives you your real FICO scores, not the fake Credit Karma numbers that lenders don't even use. And of course, it's the only platform with a 110% money back guarantee. Nobody else dares to do that. And DisputeBeast also has bank level security to protect your personal data, because your info is your life. The other guys don't care, but we do. And I say we do because I do in fact own DisputeBeast. There's no question about that. I'm not an affiliate. I helped build the most powerful AI credit repair software ever created. And guess what? The excuses? They're all gone, because you don't need a computer, you don't need a printer, you don't even need stamps. All you need is your cell phone. That's it. and then upload a copy of your ID or driver's license, a utility bill in your name. If you don't have a utility bill, you can use your cell phone, a bank statement, a pay stub, your car insurance registration, your car insurance, something that shows your address pretty much. Then you hit the big blue button, start attack button, and in under 60 seconds, your attack package is built. Print them yourself or use the built-in mailing partner. Done, and yes, it works in English and in Spanish also. And here's where DisputeBeast is untouchable. We don't just give you the software and disappear. We give you a dedicated support team and live weekly training sessions Monday through Thursday. Your support tab is inside of your DisputeBeast dashboard, and you're constantly getting emails from DisputeBeast to remind you of the training sessions and how to contact them with support. So if you got questions, you get answers in real time. No other credit repair software, no other company offers you that level of hand-holding and community. You're never left alone. Picture this, you log in, DisputeBeast pulls your reports, every negative account, every collection, every inquiry is highlighted instantly. The AI generates your letters, custom, powerful, one of a kind, and targets all bureaus, all creditors, all secondary agencies in under 60 seconds. Your entire attack package is done. That's full-scale war against a system designed to hold you down. Meanwhile, every other credit repair guru is charging you for templates or reselling the same broken software to you for more money. They're laughing all the way to the bank while you stay stuck. DisputeBeast flips the script. For the first time ever, you control the process, you have the firepower, you have the AI to beat their AI. But let me show you real quick how truly easy it really is and how DisputeBeast can literally do all the work for you in less than 60 seconds. You're going to go to your main attack hub. It's the home page. Now, as you can see right there, the big blue button says start attack. You're just going to click that button. Once you click that button, it's going to show you and import all of your accounts that are on your credit report. It's going to highlight the negative ones. As you can see right there, it clearly says negative. Then you're going to scroll down. We only have one other negative right there. Then if you want to attack any hard inquiries, we'll get to the bottom of it. You can do that if you choose to, but it will tell you what to do and what not to do. So there's no guessing game here. You're going to be guided the entire way. It's just super simplified. But we're not going to attack any hard inquiries here. We're just going to start our attack. Now, generally speaking, it takes about 40 to maybe 50 seconds. Generally between that time frame, it will create your custom attack letters. I've never seen it go past 1 minute, just being honest with you. You're going to get all of your letters in one place, and then you'll choose whether you want to actually print them and mail them on your own, or you use the integrated mailing partner inside of DisputeBeast. It's the first of its kind. Every other software makes you send them off to some other company or something. No, everything's integrated into DisputeBeast. With Sprint Mail, you have the option in there. So it's going to tell you right now, it's almost done. I can sense it. I can feel it. And then it's going to just populate all these letters, all of them in one place. So you don't have to go anywhere. There it is. So there it is. There's your option for Sprint Mail. You can have them mail them for you for a total of $27.63 if you decide to use that new service. That's absolutely awesome. Then you can also mail them yourself. If you mail them yourself, it's going to email you all of the letters to your email address on file, and then you just print them and mail them. There's TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, your creditor that we're going to attack, and all of the secondary credit reporting agency, all 9 of them. This is the only software that gives you everything so easily. It literally is one click. Well, actually, technically 2 clicks to decide whether you want to mail or you want to actually print them on your own. So the choice is yours. It can't get any easier than this, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're ready to get started and take control of your credit, make sure to comment Beast to get started today and fix your credit. But pay attention to something here. You didn't have to pick any reasons. You didn't have to pick any letters. I mean, that is the Stone Age software that's out there. It's out there. A lot of people use it and they get confused and they get discouraged. I wanted to create something that is simply simple, that anyone can use, no matter where you are in your life, to help you get ahead. And understand something, we're not giving this to any credit repair companies. This was built for the everyday hardworking American that's trying to better their lives. We are not interested in white labeling or selling it to any credit repair companies. We want to help everyday hardworking Americans just simply get themselves back on track and start over. Last part's the most important. So let me ask you this. How much longer are you gonna let big data profit off of your pain? How many more denials? How many more high interest loans? It stops today. So drop a comment that says Beast and I'll show you how to get started right now. This is the future of credit repair. No fake templates, not Credit Karma lies, no shady companies hiding behind outdated software, just pure AI power, full support, live training, and results. Take back your credit, take back your life and unleash the beast. And if you want to upgrade any Capital One credit card with no hard inquiry, make sure to watch this video right here because it's going to give you the full walkthrough on how to get that done. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.